When you lose people, when you lose good-hearted people, when those people leave your life, you don't just lose people. You lose a piece of yourself. You lose a piece of the things that made you who you were, that improved you, that moved you to the next level. A lot of times when those people leave, they don't leave in a fuss. They leave quietly. They decide that their peace is more valuable than your presence. They believe that whatever it is that you had no longer exists. So you lose that safe energy that you had. You know, that good-hearted person created that emotional safety net for you. They let you speak freely. They let you fail openly, grow honestly, and without them, your world will feel a lot colder, even if nothing has changed. You lose the mirror of your best self. The right person reflects who you are at your highest. They also remind you of your strengths when you forget. They see your potential before results show up. You lose accountability. The accountability to know that someone loves you or somebody cares for you. Good people don't just cheer you on. They correct you with care. They tell you the truth without trying to control you. They sharpen you without cutting you down. You lose a shared history, inside jokes, lessons learned, battles survived. There is a kind of wealth in their experience that cannot be replaced. You lose the emotional stability. Certain people regulate your nervous system. They regulate how you feel. You may not be aware of it, but they actually help you with your moods just by being present. It could be the volume of their voice when you're stressed. It could be the presence of them showing up when you've got racing thoughts and just listening to what you have to say. Science actually supports this. It's actually reality. You lose unconditional encouragement. The world is more transactional. And in a transactional world, you need people with good heart, that's rooting for you, that is not keeping score, is actually on your side. They celebrate your wins and their own. But here's something very powerful. You lose good people, you also lose the ability to discover and absorb their goodness. Now with that, there may be some things that you carry on. You know, if you think about it, you carry their wisdom, their phrases, their standards, their example, and their integrity, if you're honest with yourself. And sometimes you can pay that forward. But unfortunately, one of the things that you've definitely lost is you've lost their trust. And that is invaluable, especially in a world like it is today. So, before you let something crazy come out your mouth, before you do something that you know you'll regret, before you put what's least important in front of what's most important, think about it. So, just something to think about, just a thought. This is Mr. Z Inspires. Please follow us at Mr. Z Inspires at YouTube, and our website is mrzinspires.com. You guys have a great rest of your day. Peace.